In the last video, you got text and email templates for warm outreach. Those templates work. But there are going to be times when you need to write something slightly different. A follow-up to a specific conversation, a social media post, an email to a community group you want to partner with. And when that happens, most agents stare at a blank screen for 20 minutes and either give up or write something that sounds stiff and generic. This video shows you how to use AI to get past that blank page in seconds and produce outreach that actually sounds like you. The biggest mistake agents make with AI is using it like a vending machine. They type something like, "Write me a marketing email for Medicare." And what they get back is a corporate-sounding paragraph full of buzzwords that no real person would ever send. The problem is not the tool. The problem is the prompt. When you give AI generic instructions, you get generic output. When you give it specific context about who you are and who you are writing to, the output sounds like a real message from a real person. Here is how to do it. Every time you ask AI to write outreach, include 3 things in your prompt. First, tell it who you are. Not just your job title, your tone. Something like, "I am an independent insurance agent. I am friendly and direct. I do not use jargon. I talk like a neighbor, not a salesperson." That one sentence changes everything about what comes back. Second, tell it who you are writing to, not just a Medicare prospect. Say something like, "A 67-year-old woman I met at a community event last week who mentioned she was confused about her Medicare options." The more specific you are about the person, the more natural the message will feel. Third, tell it what you want to happen, not just write an email. Say something like, "Write a short follow-up email that reminds her, we talked, offers to help answer her questions, and does not feel like a sales pitch." Let me show you what this looks like as a complete prompt. You type, "I am an independent insurance agent. I am friendly, casual, and I keep things simple. I met a woman named Linda at a senior center event last Tuesday. She said she was frustrated with her current Medicare plan because her doctor left the network." Write a short text message following up with her. Keep it under 4 sentences, no jargon. Make it sound like I am texting a neighbor, not a client. The AI will come back with something you can send almost as is. You might tweak a word or two to make it sound exactly like you, but the heavy lifting is done. That whole process takes 30 seconds instead of 20 minutes. You can use this same approach for social media posts. Say something like, "Write a short Facebook post from an insurance agent, letting people in my area know that Medicare open enrollment is coming up and I am available to help them review their options." Keep it conversational, not salesy. 3 to 4 sentences max. The AI gives you a starting draft. You adjust the tone to match how you actually talk online, and you post it. The goal isn't to have AI write your content for you. The goal is to have AI get you 80% of the way there so you can focus on the last 20% that makes it yours. One important rule: always read what AI gives you before you send it. Occasionally, it will add language that sounds too polished or too promotional. If any sentence does not sound like something you would actually say, rewrite it or delete it. Your outreach only works if people believe it came from you, not from a machine. Here's your action step. Open any AI tool right now and write one prompt using the 3-part formula: who you are writing to, and what you want to happen. Generate the message, adjust it to sound like you, and send it. One message. That is all it takes to make this part of your daily workflow.